Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can adjust the horizontal airflow direction on your Midea air conditioner. So first of all, you need to turn on your Midea air conditioner using its remote control. Then wait for the indoor unit to basically start operating. Now, once this is done, you just have to simply locate the swing button on top of your remote and you need to simply press it. Now for your model, if it has a motorized horizontal swing, the left and the right lowers will basically begin moving. So after doing this, some of the premium Midea models also let you stop the lowers at your preferred position by simply pressing the swing button again. Now on many of the Midea split air conditioner, only the vertical lowers are basically motorized. So the left and the right horizontal airflow direction is adjusted manually. So in order to do that, you just have to simply move the small vertical fans inside the air outlet gently to the left or the right until the airflow is directed where you want it. You can also then adjust the lowers and let the AC run for a few seconds to make sure that the airflow is blowing in the desired direction of yours. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.